Farmer Mike from Ophelia's Bluevine Farm, wrapping up the day. I'm so excited because we got so much work in today before the storm comes in, and here the storm is just coming down, and I'm so excited because we got a chance to go down Vine Street Brewery today and recycle some grain for the chickens and for heated Ophelias. But also, Daz Jones hooked me up with one of our latest collaborations right here. And so you definitely, these don't have the labels on it yet because these are hot off the press, but you'll definitely want to stop by Vine Street Brewing Company and make sure you pick up any of their local beers that they have on tap. They have several on tap, and I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy one of these babies right now. So don't forget to stop by our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube. We have over 400 videos all dedicated to urban farming. Cheers. So this is my grandmother, Miss Ophelia. This is a picture taken many years ago, and that was her. Today is her birthday. That's a young me. Of course, I named Ophelia's Bluevine Farm, the business, after her because of her strength and everything that she stood for. And so here I'm outside Ophelia celebrating grandmother Ophelia's 96th birthday, 96 years old she would have been today had she lived. And it's a great day. Look at this picture right there. She was a seamstress, and she made that hat, and she made that dress. And of course, she was a producer. We were agricultural producers. And I'm here outside Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. And just taking it in, we're on the historic Vine District in Kansas City. Behind me, the Jazz District, where bebop was born. And so today I'm reflecting on the life of this incredible woman, Miss Ophelia, and we're planting some very rare watermelon seeds that were almost on the brink of extinction, and then they were saved. And so we'll put those in today in her memory and sell those to you this year at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm.